Hi, I wanted to talk to you today about my favorite lipstick with organic ingredients that was actually discontinued and the replacement I got for it. So a few weeks ago I was super disappointed to go into Sephora and see that my favorite lipsticks, the Beauty High Pigment Pencils, were no longer in the display. I had a feeling this was coming because in January they went on sale at Sephora, and generally when things go on sale from a brand they end up being discontinued, and that is indeed the case. I'm crushed because I loved these formulas. They were very nourishing, moisturizing, they lasted a long time, they had a nice satiny finish, and they actually had some organic ingredients in them as well. Also, compared to other Beauty products, they had less scent and aroma, which is a huge thing for me. My favorite colors are Syrah and, which one's this, Rhubarb. I really like these colors a lot. They're very different, and Syrah is normally a color I would have worn, but I fell in love with it. Luckily, I was able to snag some before they totally went out of stock online. I think you can still get Syrah right now if you go and get it quickly before they run out. So I was looking for a replacement. I have tried the Beauty multi-sticks before and the Amuse Bouche lipsticks, but they were both fairly heavily scented with like a vanilla peppermint mix aroma, and I wasn't crazy about the formulas. I've also tried the matte crayons, but matte just isn't a good look for me, so I finally decided to give the newer Amuse Bouche Liquified lipsticks a try, and they don't have a ton of colors to choose from, so I went with Chutney, which is top here, and that was an Allure Best of Beauty winner last year, and also Eclair, which is a lovely rose color. I have these on right now, but I actually have them mixed because the Chutney alone is a little deep and the Eclair alone is a little too pink. But overall, I think together they work well, and while these do have a bit of vanilla added and peppermint added, the scent doesn't stay as long as I found the aromas to stay with the Amuse Bouche and the multi-sticks. So I think I'm gonna be okay. I definitely had a freak out there. I don't like it when things get discontinued, and these don't seem to have organic ingredients, but they are made with natural ingredients, whatever that means to you. So far I'm happy enough, but I'm still looking for a nice long wearing high pigmented organic ingredient lipstick.